Because the layout for the pattern and fabric of the A-line skirt is so large, I cannot show you the layout for cutting in full scale. So I've made a quarter scale sample. This is a piece of fabric with the length grain marked, and I'm laying out the skirt pieces as if you have one full back and two fronts. So in this you see from the left to the right the two pockets, the two fronts, the back, and at the bottom the waistband, and then the facings next to the pockets. This would be for 56 to 60 inch wide fabric. And this is the lining. It's folded, so it is again wide fabric. The back is placed on the fold, the front is placed on the selvage side.